Hi, this is Valerie Hector. Have you ever seen a beaded piglet like this? I got this in China many, many years ago I think at a bead shop in Beijing or in another city. Somewhere I have notes on this. Anyway, this is an amazing beaded piglet, fully three-dimensional, and he or she sits, so she sits on her, she sits with the help of her tail, okay? And I decided one day I really wanted to teach myself how to make this. So my first attempt was with these plastic 6mm beads, and they worked fine. What I discovered is that the body is really fairly simple. The arms aren't bad. The feet aren't bad. The head is very challenging, and it's taken me a while to understand the logic of the head. And whoever devised this, it's brilliant. It's one of the most complex structures probably will ever come across, but I'm going to make it easy if I decide to do a video tutorial on this, which I think I probably will. But I need your vote. I need you to like this video and tell me if this is really what you want to see me do, because this is a lot of work, okay? Anyway, eventually I made the piglet, the sleeping piglet, in metal beads, these are size 8 metal beads. This is a little bit heavy, right? But it's very cool. And it sits, or he or she will sit, okay, perfectly well. So if you're a miniaturist or you have friends who do miniatures, they might be interested in this. Turns out we can go even smaller, however, so I made this miniature, totally miniature, beaded piglet in metal beads in size 11. This is a lot lighter and it's fun. I don't know if this works for a jewelry structure or not. You know, would you hang this as a pendant? Maybe it's too big and too heavy to wear as an earring. But I think there's a lot of other potential here, you know, besides just wearability. Anyway, that's it for the beaded piglet. And let me move right on to the next one. And next we have a beaded monkey holding a strawberry. Another piece that I picked up in Beijing, probably Beijing, a long time ago. I love how its arms are flexible. These structures like this are still being made, I think, in China quite extensively. The Chinese beaders are constantly coming up with new ideas for structures and figures to render, okay? Anyway, I decided to make one in size 8 metal beads. Turned out really, really well. And now next I'm going to drop down to a size 11 and see how that turns out. I haven't done that yet. This is a little bit heavy, just like the piglet was heavy in size 8 beads. However, he or she sits perfectly fine, just like its larger mentor here. And it's absolutely wonderful and adorable. I mean, think about giving these as gifts, as talismans. I mean, made really tiny, they could even be cell phone charms or something like that. So that is the beaded monkey. If you are interested in me doing tutorials on these structures, I need you to like this video because otherwise I'm not quite sure that anyone is interested in, you know, structures that might not be so perfect for jewelry, okay? But just for other things in life. All right, let's move on to the next one. I'll see you in a minute. Last but not least, the beaded girl, the beaded ponytail girl, as I've called her. She is actually so tall that I have to show her to you bit by bit here, okay? She has a fabulous pink dress on, looks like little pink mittens, or maybe those are her hands. An incredible ponytail here that trails out behind her like it's blowing in the wind, and a little bun, or a little bow, excuse me, in her hair. Pretty amazing, more amazing design work, structural, architectural beadwork by the Chinese beaders. I managed to recreate her using a size 8 metal seed beads, and I think she works just fine in these beads. Again, she's a little bit on the heavy side. She will not stand up. You'll have to find a way to support her if you want her to stand up. Here she is in size 11 metal seed beads. Pretty amazing, right? So again, to make tutorials on her, to make one tutorial on her will take me quite a bit of effort. So I just would like a little bit of encouragement from you. Do you want to learn how to make the little beaded ponytail girl? Is this something that interests you, or do you just want to be limited to jewelry structures? Should I just do jewelry tutorials? Please let me know. I'd appreciate it so much. And thanks for coming by, and I'll see you in another video soon.